Stampers, it's Debbie with Stamp It with Debbie, and today I'm coming to you with my March 2019 class to go, or class in the mail as you might have heard it. Now, what is a class to go, you might be wondering? It is a class where you get everything mailed right to your house and you can do the projects in the comfort of your own home, even in your pajamas if you choose. You're going to get all of the products that you need to create these items. There is no stamping this month. It's 3D projects. You're going to get enough product to make lots and lots of treat holders. So let me show you first of all the product that you're going to get. You're going to get a full pack of the Gingham Gala paper. Isn't it beautiful? It comes in Daffodil Delight, Highland Heather, Grapefruit Grove, Lemon Lime Twist, and Balmy Blue. On the front are the bigger squares, and on the back are the smaller ones. It's beautiful for springtime. I think we're all ready for spring. And this would make a great gift, I think, for teachers, for teacher appreciation, or a neighbor just to say, or a coworker to say, you know, thanks for that great thing that you did. These are fun projects. You can create several of them in a short amount of time. And it's a lot of fun, a lot of fun. So the other thing that you're going to get is a full spool of the white weave ribbon, classic white weave ribbon, and you're also going to get a roll of the tear and tape. Tear and tape is a good adhesive to use for all of our 3D projects. It holds them together really well. So let me show you the projects that you're going to be able to make. This is the first project, and this is made from the Highland Heather. This box measures 3.5 by 3.5, and it's 2.5 inches deep. If you were to use this for a little Easter treat box, you could get quite a few treats in there. I'd put some little Easter shred in there and then put your treats on top. And if you were just going to use it for a gift, you can see 2.5 inches by 3.5 is a pretty good size to get. You could actually roll up a pair of socks and get it inside of this box. So that's how big it is. You're also going to get enough of the daisies to create 10 of your projects. And again, two of this piece of cardstock. So you'd be able to make 2 of these boxes, but the rest of the projects are pretty unlimited because you're going to get 40 sheets of the Gingham Gala paper, and all the other projects just need the Gingham Gala paper. This cute little box here, I'm not sure if it would hold a gift card. It may. This just is a piece of the ribbon on top. The box comes open, and I have a little Reese's peanut butter egg inside. That's project number 2. This is number 3. And again, you can make these with any of the color papers that you want. You can mix it up, not have to make it exactly like I am. It's a sour cream container, and both ends are pinched. My treats are inside and ready to give away. This is project number 3, a cute little bag, kind of a bag box. It's got a tie at the top, and I'll just show you all the sides of it. Very cute. And then the last project is this cute basket. And you could use these for place settings, or wouldn't it be cute just to hand somebody, because it has a little handle, you could carry them and give them to somebody, again, just to say thanks for that great thing you did. It does not have to be Easter, because it's got the bright colors, and bright colors are just a good pick-me-up for this time of year, when, especially for us who have been getting a lot of snow and cold, and we're ready for some flowers and spring and warm weather. So again, the cost of this class is $30, and it is an additional $8 for priority shipping. The deadline to sign up for this class is March 20th, 2019, and I just need your payment and reservation by that date. I will be mailing all of the kits by April 1st, so you should get them probably around the 3rd or the 4th. It's going priority mail, so you should definitely get them within a few days. And what do you need to do to sign up for this class? You just need to contact me at stampitwithdebbie@gmail.com. You can send me an email, and I would be happy to send you an invoice. The other way that you can sign up is you can go to my Facebook page at Stamp It with Debbie. It's facebook.com/stampitwithdebbie, or just look for me at Stamp It with Debbie. Go under the events tab and you will find all of the information about this class to go. If you're local to me in Michigan, you can take this as a live class, but if not, take it as the to-go option and get everything you need to create these really super fun projects. Who wouldn't love to get these from somebody? So I hope that you will join me for this this to-go class and create all of these. Also, I'm going to create a video tutorial so you will have step-by-step instructions for every single project. If you need to go back and rewind it to say, wait, how did she make that? I'll be giving you instructions step by step. Like I said, I'm a visual learner, so I know how that is to be able to see something live. Again, visit me at my Facebook group at Stamp It with Debbie, or send me an email at stampitwithdebbie@gmail.com. I hope to see you in class. Thank you.